It is vlog day, everybody. I don't do a lot of vlogs on this channel, mainly because of the fact that I never really leave this room. But soon I'll actually be leaving this room for good and moving into a brand new office. If you guys don't know about it already, I'm moving in with my best friend Val the Val. I currently live in my childhood home. I work on the 3rd floor in this office I built, but it is time for a new office and we're gonna be putting it all together today. This video is gonna mainly be a vlog of me putting everything together, finding different things for my office, putting things in my office, painting my office, which I know you guys love watching paint dry. It's gonna be surreal to live with Val. I've been excited to do it for the longest time. We've been friends for years now and we finally got a place together. So come with me as we go on our vlog journey. I need to pick you up. Come on, get off the stand. There we go. We're all good to go. It feels really weird to be holding the camera like this. How do people do this all day? So first things first, let's go get our paint. Hey, by the way, are you subscribed? If you're not subscribed, jail. We're on the way to 69,000 subscribers, guys. So if you want to subscribe today and join the family, I'd be happy to have you around here. Do it now. Okay, let's vlog.
Start it up.
First stroke. Okay.
This is lit.
Okay, so after a long couple of days of coming back and touching up paint, I think for the most part, we're pretty much done. There might be a couple of like corners and stuff we still have to do. But yeah, there you go. White paint on the wall. All in all, the new office is a lot smaller than my current one at home, but I kind of like it being this way where I don't have a lot to clean or keep up with. So now what we have to do next is actually unbox my new desk. It's not any ordinary desk. It's an ergonomic standing desk. My friends over at FlexiSpot sent me this big heavy desk. So I'm gonna unbox it and put it in this room. This will be my new command center. It's very heavy. It took a lot to actually get inside of the house. I've never had a standing desk before, but it's gonna be pretty useful for someone like me who has scoliosis. My back is kind of like that. So being able to stand and sit down as I please is gonna be really nice with this kind of desk. So shout out to FlexiSpot for sending this to me. So yeah, let's unbox it. Let's see what it's all about. I'm really sweaty. I think there's some paint in my hair still. Oh, there's paint on my nails. What? So there it is, fully installed, my brand new standing desk. I've never actually had an adjustable desk, so this is super cool to me. I don't know if you can tell, but this is pretty high up here. This is like chest level to where I'm at. Just under like boob range. I think when I'm standing using this, I probably would have it right about like here maybe. And then I can adjust it as I sit. It seems very easy to move around. I might either keep it there or I'll put it to the side window here, put like a piano in that spot. Thank you to FlexiSpot for sending this out to us. If you guys want to find out about this desk or anything else from FlexiSpot, I'll put their link in the description down below. Now, if you excuse me, I have to finish the rest of my office. Probably not waste the whole day planning with this desk. And stop. There we go, perfect. So, it's moving day. This is the very last bit of content I'm gonna be filming in this office for a really long time. We have made a lot of memories in this room. it's kind of crazy to go. But I'm excited for the future. You know, I'm a little sad to leave, obviously, but mostly excited for everything that's to come. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna film packing everything up now. I want to take a moment and say thank you to you guys for watching the content the last like 3 years. Pretty much everything I've done has been in this room. Whatever arrangement I've had, whatever design I've had behind me, you guys have watched the channel for a really long time, and you've all kind of been in this room for the last 3 years as well. So it really is, it's weird to leave. But new beginnings are coming up. So everybody say goodbye to this room. Goodbye wall. Goodbye desk. Goodbye chair. All right, let's start packing everything up. So I kind of forgot to talk into the camera and explain what this whole next part of the clip really is. So I'm doing a voiceover now. This was the same day that I moved everything out of my house and I moved it into the brand new office, the new desk, all of my stuff with my monitors, all the cable management I have going on. Wanted to give you guys like an early look at my office. Still a lot that has to be done, but for the most part, it's pretty much there. The room's been painted. I have all my stuff in here. I bought this really cool PC holster that drills into the bottom of my desk. Along with that, I did a bunch of cable management stuff that took forever. It is livable. This is my new office. I'm excited to be in here. I think I'm gonna save an office tour for when Val and I do our full entire house tour. If you guys wanna see some in-depth stuff on how I did cable management or even how my hair became blonde in the process of this video, you can find that stuff on my second channel, which will be in the description down below. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The new office is completely built. I'm home, honey. This is the end of the vlog.
Oh my god, I look even shorter now.
I'm all moved in now. I live with Val. This is our kitchen. There's a lot of content coming soon. You're like checking if it's our kitchen or not. You're like,
I saw
what?
Charlie.
Yeah, I'm all moved in. The office is looking good. I'm blonde now. Yeah, red hair. This has been a long vlog. There comes our other roommate. It's like so loud. Stop yelling. 2 dudes and a cat living in a house together now. Vlog number 1 from the new house. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you don't mind doing so, make sure you go ahead and drop a sub, like, subscribe, a like, a comment. We'll see you in the next video.